Hi, Brian Mahone here, founder of Igloo Insurance, where we offer transparent risk advice to business owners and families. I wanted to share with you a quick example why it's important to have cyber insurance in the distributing and manufacturing space. I actually had a family member who runs a beverage distributing company with 40 trucks out on the road every day, typically. After 20 years in the business, him and his business partner decided to make a big acquisition that doubled the size of their business. 2 months into the merger, an employee on third shift got an email from an employee on second shift saying, "Hey, check out this trucking industry product here." Of course, he clicked on the link. It was ransomware, requesting a $250,000 Bitcoin payment in order to get access back to the entire company's computer systems. To get back online, it took all the sales, admin, and field people working 7 days a week to recreate 2 years worth of invoices and customer data between the beverage manufacturers and their clients, the restaurants and gas stations. It took countless calls and texts with the local FBI and incident response service providers, months of the executive team's time and energy, easing customers' concerns. They got bricked, or their hardware became useless. They had to spend $20,000 on new laptops and servers and phones for the business. And they even paid $60,000 of paid overtime for all of the staff to rush to this incident. And this was really all with insurance helping pay business interruption to offset the damage done. That ended up being the most chaotic 2 weeks of the entire business's history. Now, I don't want a similar story to happen to your company, so let's chat about a complimentary cyber risk assessment here at Igloo Insurance. Thanks so much.